DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
If you like this video, please hit the like button, the thumbs up, and subscribe. We got a lot of good stuff coming. Okay, I got this hollowed out here with that cutoff wheel, and this fits halfway decent now. So now it's time to drill the hole for the shaft. Okay. And then, might have to do some more. I just used the cutoff wheel to cut this off. I'm going to weld this closed and then grind it and smooth it. But I think it's time to drill the shaft. 1/2 inch. Let's do that. Okay, I'm getting ready to drill this. Action. Okay, I'm getting ready to drill this hole for the shaft. This is the shaft. I'm going to cut a piece of it off, but I want the middle to be right about there. And I want to be level, so I got this leveling thing. 0.2, 0.150. Okay, now I'm exactly level. I'm in a good spot. I'm just going to do a little pilot hole here. See if I'm lined up. I think I'm going to come in a little bit. Alright, let's see what we get. That's good enough just to get it started. Let's switch over to another drill. Okay. Action. Okay, let's switch out this drill. And put in this other one. I guess we're... Ooh, this works. I just sharpened this, but I'm not the greatest sharpener. Wait, I could get better at sharpening. I gotta sharpen this drill. Cut. Alright, I think I got this thing sharper. Oops, went through. But I want to go all the way through straight. And let's see what happens. And then we'll go to the 1/2 inch one directly. Some guys say don't drill a pilot hole, but I think it's okay to do. Oops, all the way through. Now the 1/2 inch is going to be a little bit bigger. I'm going to have to lower this. Alright, let's get to that. Okay, I got the 1/2 inch set up. Let's look at this. we're just going to have to go for it and adjust it later. Now that's not pre-drill because I'm hitting somewhere else. I'm making progress. Put some more oil down there. These belts up here need some conditioner. Hang on. Back to action, belt conditioner. That should help. Make it stronger. I don't have a lot of fancy equipment. I built most of this myself and got it where I could, you know. Ooh, baby, we're through. Now this is a 9/16, so it should handle this rod really well. Let's see. I got an inquiring mind. Maybe this isn't 1/2 inch though. It's not. It's like 5/8. Shit. Okay, well, I guess I should have measured that first. I'll have to I don't know why I thought it was 1/2 inch. Let's see what it really is. 625, 630. Wonder what that is in inches and. Well, I got a brand new Virgin 5/8, baby. See how this does. Give it a little oil. Actually, I think this is tranny fluid. Jesus. I made a mistake. I was trying to use a step drill to see if I could do it with that, but no. Damn. Those new drills really bite. You gotta feed it really slow. I hate that noise. Alright. See what we got. See how that's lining up. I guess that's equitable. I think I gotta lift it back up a little bit. I don't think it's level. That's 6.5. Oh, that was wrong. There, 0. Okay, fine. More oil. Right, George, I think I got it. And all the way through. Now let's see if my rod fits. Almost fits. We should go in from the other side. Open it up a little bit. I have to shave the shaft down a little bit. Wow. It does not want to go. I need to go all the way through. This is so much fun. Fuck. I am a little bit off center. If the drill goes through, the rod should go through. There we go. Okay. Success. Now, does the wheel go through? Action. Okay, I think we're going to have to do some more grinding. We're almost there. We need to go in deeper there and there. Okay, back to the vise. A little bit more grinding. I use these for earplugs. Always take your watch off when you're grinding, so you don't, you know? More grinding. Yeah. And on the other side too. I'm impatient. I think I gotta grind the other side. We got some more grinding to do. Gotta open it up here. I think it's coming in from this side is okay. Where is the dislocation? It should be working, and it does. Right there. Probably gonna cut most of this so I get mosquitoes, pesky mosquitoes. Alright. Okay, right there. Alright. Got it in. Still need to do a little more grinding. A little bit there. And if the other side is looser. There we go. Need some grinding on the other side, I think. That's good. We're fine. Okay. Time to cut this off. Mosquitoes. Alright, that's done. I gotta cut it off, that off, and then cut it off here. Okay, I just tack welded it right here so that I can take it over to my cutoff wheel and cut it off there. And if I ever have to take this off, I'll just grind this away and it'll come out. But could have used a bolt, but this fits so nice that I like this. And it'll work great. I'll just, tack it on. And this side I'm not going to do anything. Okay, I'm going to go to the cutoff wheel and cut this off. Actually, I could do it with this. I don't need to go with my cutoff wheel. Okay. I'm just going to grind that smooth. Grind that off a little bit. We're good to go. Might have to put a notch in here. Let me do that. Oh, that's perfect. Well, more or less. Maybe over here for the cable. Well, I just realized that before I can put this and weld it here, I need to put the slider on. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to grind this off, take off the pulley, and then weld this and brace it and all that stuff here. And then once that's done, I'll put the slider on and then reinstall the pulley. So let's do that. I didn't realize I welded it that good. I thought I just tacked it. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Beautiful. Alright, there's that. Finally. Okay, so now let's mount this. I didn't have a chuck to spin this, so I'm just going to do it by hand. Just want to make this pin a little bit smaller. Hi, Perlita. What are you up to, Perlita, huh? Good girl, yes, you're such a good girl. There's Kitty Cat with her blue eye. Hi, Kitty Cat. Yeah, that fits a lot better. Nice and loose. But, does it fit on the pulley? I think it does. Yeah. That's better. I need to grind a little bit more there anyway. Yeah, it's a little tight there. Let's do that, and then we'll mount it. Okay, I had to grind a little bit. You know, the inside here is rounded, okay? So in order to get this up against here, I had to grind a little bit away from right there to make that so it goes all the way flat against that. Well, let's tack it on. Damn, I should clean these off. Wants to fall. I think that's good enough to tack it. Maybe a little bit toward me. Okay, let me weld that. Okay, baby. I got this thing welded in there pretty good. Ow. Good thing I'm wearing gloves, huh? Got a little bit more fill up to do here. But it's not that critical because as I move this, see, this has got some good bendage here. So we need braces from maybe here to there to brace this and make this base wider. So about from here to here, because I don't want anything in the way. Well, yeah, you see what I mean? So I can't go too far this way. I can't go out here because that'll block the box. Well, maybe on the bottom it won't. Anyway, I'm going to put a couple of braces from here up to here, diagonal. And another one on this side, of course. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, so here's the final mock-up before I put these braces on. So there you go. Seems to work alright. about that high to lift. Okay. Isn't this fun? Okay, here's the real final mock-up. So I'm going to have some place here to hook this onto. I think I'm going to see if I can put it sideways. Then I can use a crank. But right now it's, it's it's a ratchet thing. It's hard to turn. There. So somewhere in here will be a hook to hook this onto. And then it'll hopefully lift up 80 pounds. Or whatever 3 boxes weigh. Okay.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low, scan alert, up the next day, 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer.